The 2025 Audi S5 brings impressive design, powerful performance and advanced technology to redefine the luxury sedan market. It comes in 4-door hatchback, coupe, cabriolet and wagon versions, with design tweaks that make it stand out even more. The 2025 S5 is larger than its predecessor, with increased length and interior space that make it more modern and spacious. Inside, the 2025 S5 has a more modern look with a curved display that covers the driver's side and center console, and features an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.5-inch touchscreen. A 3.0-liter V6 engine that produces 362 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque keeps the S5 quick and responsive. A new 7-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers smooth and precise shifts. The S5 comes with all-wheel drive and can switch between different driving modes. However, the steering could use more feedback, especially in tight corners. While there's no coupe or cabriolet version for the U.S. market, the 2025 S5 remains an important model in Audi's history with a blend of luxury and performance that will suit many drivers.